I got a flash. Okay, so I got a patio slider that came apart. You can see it came off the gasket. This is a sealed unit. It's got 2 panes of glass and the gasket that go in here. Just wanted to show you real quick what happens sometimes is these have a foot pin, and if the foot pin gets replaced, sometimes people think the screw that's in there is only the foot pin. Thing is, it's not just the foot pin. So this top one's kind of shorter, usually, and then the bottom one's this long screw.
Got that backwards, but you'll see.
It's usually one way or the other. But so this screw is actually a longer screw, and it's actually holding the frame together. See how long it is? See, it actually goes all the way through, and it's on the top screw. The one that's on the bottom is usually a really short screw, so it doesn't do much but support this foot pin. But those foot pins were an after add, and whoever added them just lessened the screw that holds this together. And unfortunately on the other one, they pulled the whole thing out, and then now someone's opened the door. So what we got to do is kind of open the door and see if we can get this back together, and we'll have to get another screw on the other side. Unfortunately, it's going to be a tricky one. So I don't know if I need to show this part on video because this is going to be a little bit more. But you see, I got it back together there. But we need to make sure that this gasket is reset first, and it's also kind of hanging up here on the second portion. So I'm going to try to open that door. Okay. So we got the door open, and now we're going to seal this, reset the seal, at least in theory.
This one I was in the middle of a couple other jobs, so I'm going to need to go back and reset this a bit. I was having a bit of anxiety myself of the other things that I needed to get to take care of, but this came up and I wanted to share the video with you guys because I thought it's still valuable enough to show.
It's not perfect. That's pretty good. So now we got our longer screw. It's going to go through the top, like a nail or something. But this would go through the top, and if we get it set right, it will hold the deal together. And now that this one doesn't have a foot pin, we've been switching to these Charlie bars, patio door security bars, and then it's a more visible deterrent to crime rather than that little foot pin because you can't see it. But now this is going to hold our deal together, and it's going to hold that gasket in there, and we're all fixed. But that's that. So I just need a new screw for the other one, and we're good to go.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.